And in this trying time, everybody's supposed to be on them P's and Q's. You know much plain land a man to be and Kingston since that Thursday. We want the people them to know that this not gonna last forever. No matter what will last forever. The thinking, because it's the thinking sometimes make the thing get out of hand, you know. Yes, the thinking where you think make you feel so miserable and frustrated that, you know, you also want to say, sure, you know, damn it. But we know say, yeah, dark cloud, when it move, sunshine. Sunshine I go bright. Because we see say Jamaica rally round Jamaican. We see say the world a rally round Jamaican. You know, we never there when the thing are going, but based up half of when we on a boat with 4,000 people they on it, and the people them love Jamaica. Me I tell you, me not talk about Jamaica now who run Ghana foreign left way. We are talking about foreigner from Europe, Africa. Them love Jamaica Rasta. You know? I mean, so you go to one festival and people are jump for the music because them love reggae. But you see when them hear about where going, especially when them see the picture them will come out of Jamaica upon BBC, MSNBC, Fox, this, that. May I tell you, man, the people them, you know, so much things reach a Jamaica fast. You know much plain land. Give thanks that the government can really say, yeah, things are coming, love it, make it come. No one no push the little gun in the baggage and the luggage to create no problem, but things are coming because me was surprised when I go to tool. Me not travel with no whole heap of luggage, you know, but a tool luggage me have. And me hear the man say, well, you know, until the end of October, no, and then enough November, we won't be charging any for luggage fee. I say, what? If me didn't know that, then I go on, man, me carry the whole of America come down here. But no, man, it's amazing. It's amazing. You know much plane line a man to go be and Kingston since that. And I know passenger plane me talk about, you know, me talk about plane. Well, a passenger plane with passenger, but goods like worries. Me I tell you, I'm what the people them get it. And me somehow me not into the money, giving the money. Because we know how people stay with money. You know, the money part of it is a problematic to me personally. You know, goods, people want water and, you know, food and light and all them way there. You know, that Starlink thing there, trust me. The Starlink thing there, man, believe you me, it work. So you see all of them remote area where you don't have no electricity and you have generator, what all battery too can work it. No man, me I tell you that Starlink thing there. Yes. Elon Musk, anyway there. Send them come. Send them come. Believe you me, because it look like well, Floyd Digicel. Floyd Digicel. Why no disrespect to Floyd Digicel, you know, but most people don't have no internet service now. Most people, them don't have no internet service. Now, people want internet service. I'm going to tell you, say, Starlink, yes, Starlink. I didn't know that expensive either, you know. Yeah, you have some scammer live in America now, you know. It can just bring out 2-3 dozen of them come along and just say, sure, go to the top of St. Elizabeth there, Portland or St. Thomas, and just work out the thing, you understand? But, no, man, it's overwhelming, man. It's overwhelming. But really, I give thanks to the foreigner, them, you know. I know them listen to me. Them listen to me all the while. Yeah, give thanks. Give thanks to those who stretch out, reach out, you know, and decide, say, yes, my piece of little rock that, you know. Because, yeah, you have some white people who are claim it too, you know. man, yeah, some white people like, hey, Mr. White man, I look on the thing, you know, it sounds like a female, and, you know, on the boat. Yeah, man. You see some white people, I look on it and say, oh my God, you know, this is what's taking place. They move Baruka, come here, you know, like. I say, what? No, man, the people, them are rally, man. Them are rally round. And I don't know how long it's going to take. Because I know all that now. Maybe all the next 5-6 years, it's still a look boat. You know, that is the time thing frustrate me, you know, because you have people down there where them can't wait. And them now go there 5 years' time. For to say, the place where match down when them there, come back, normal. Them now go there. You know, see it. All heap of them, all people, them and all them were there. And it's frustrating. And then the rubble, when you start clear the rubble, you're going to say, dead people. You know, we hope say, why, you know, so I'm not talk about it again next week. I'm done with this, you know, but I talk about it just no, but it's frustrating because you know the devastation and you can't help it more than you know, like a part. You know, you might find you get some things that you just solve a little part there, so. You know, like you carry some water and bag of rice and all them something there, and it a share around the place, and then 2 weeks time, you can't go down the back and the bag of rice and all them something there done. And I said, may I ask the government for open the arena, now whether keep nothing else in there right now, and the church them. Because I'm going to pass Saturday and Sunday, some of them open. If you put the people them in there, and some of them hotel, because you know, say, right now, at the 15th of December, tourist season start, right? Tourists, you know, they which part of them will go though? Tourists, you know, they would have come on my yard, man. You know, and me can't facilitate some of the people, and I will charge them enough. But me I say, some of them hotel during the COVID, them will put up people in some of them places, you know. Them will put some people. This worse than COVID. Because we know say sometimes the COVID is frightening, it frightens you. Why you go take all the vaccine? It have nothing to do with the reality like now, when people, you can't see a man have no house now. And you can't say, you know, a little old man, him don't know what to do now. And him family, you know, them really, after a flight come down and come see where can go on. So the government can open up some of them hotel there, because we know none of them, most of them now go full. Them now go full. And the church, you know, well, we know the community center them is always there, you know. And the last, and I know you know, last time Gilbert, the last time Gilbert licked Jamaica, you know. But then I want bush, you know, and I say Zinka fly over the push by me live, you know, literally, you know, Zinka flying and but I say, Rasta, you can't stay down in the valley there, you know. You have to go over the community center, over the soil of the people, them God. I mean, I say, nah, go nowhere, you know. You know, see it. But show down in our valley, apparently, the breeze don't come down, it fly over, and I see 3 limb and all them something there, I fly over. You see when the hurricane done, Gilbert me I talk about, and we will go to nothing wrong to the house, you know, wooden house, you know, nothing wrong with the house, you know. You see when we go to the square black shop, where you know all the people in the black shop, Potosi, Janzal, all them places where we know about. The whole of the place blow off. People each up in a corner and I spread this over them because during the storm, it blew up the whole of the house top at the community center. I say, rather, look at him never go out there. You know, because apart from it get blow up down there, so if me go over them with all our friends say, well, if this blow up my house, must it blow away? It can't have kids somewhere. But nothing never happen, and the people them get back. So people have memory. Gilbert is a memory of the people them mind. And my boy sing a tune about Gilbert, was one of the biggest tunes that time there. And I say it last night, I hope I'm not singing a tune about Melissa, you know. Hey, brethren, loving dear, watch yourself, you know. But I see no true but no Melissa, you know. It's not a joke together, you know, see it. Anyway, we want to take a break and come forward. Break time.
The time by the office of the Prime Minister is?
Yeah, the time is 14 minutes. No, sorry, 16 minutes past 2. Yes.
While driving through Jamaica, there's only one radio station I listen to. Irie FM. Irie FM. Irie.
Yes, Stepping Razor there upon you again. You know, it's a very weird feeling to hear a hurricane in your country. And you're there on a boat and I go the opposite direction. Yes. And not only that, no, I want to tell you about my brethren. I would like him call me today, you know. Warrior King, give me a call, no? Give me a call, trust me. Warrior King there on the boat, you know, and just as him go up on the stage, you know. Him here say, hurricane lick down him house, you know. And somebody else out. And them 3 youth, them supposed in the house, you know. I think when him come back, him know say them all right. So you can just imagine him dip on the stage, because I watch him, you know. And when him say it, you can see say, you can't feel better, you can't feel the same way when you hear something like that. And if you know say, it's not like say when you're done for far, you go drive it. You go drive out and go in your yard, you know. It's go to Mexico. And Mexico, it's okay, you go in the next 3 days. And 2 days you go there in Mexico, and you go come back 2 days to reach back up Miami, and you have to take a plane again to come back. No, sir. That feeling there, because me feel it, I don't know my situation. Because when me call Jamaica, you know, and me now get my yard, you know. I think, you know, I wonder if the arm and chief shot up on my own stuff. Or, you know. Something you start to think the worst things, you know. Because you can't think, I don't know if you're a man and next man, you know, because this man gonna say, oh, I just jog protect my house and this and that. Remember Gilbert, I said what the jailer talk about, lick them jaw that cause them man have fib things come blow off. Well, you know, I know the argument, you know, about, you know, jog protect my house and all that something. No. Me live in the same country, the same environment. So when rain fall upon one man house top, it fall upon your house top too. So I have things say why breeze a blow next door of me and go around circle my house. Me say when me start to think, you know, me say, no Rasta, this, you know, say about 2 of the show them now what you know. Me not come out of the room, you know. Me not come out of the room, right? Me say we not come out of the room, no. And me just talk on the BBC. Whether that one named CNN, MSNBC, and every 15 minutes them come up with Jamaica, you know, a new video. And they might show you some people down at Jamaica where I say, yes, you know, this and that. And some people say, yeah, them are have people are go down there and say, and that me watch all the time, you know. Me don't want to watch no movie. Me don't want to watch nothing. And a $5 a minute for the hotel phone, you know. $5 for connect your phone to WhatsApp. Yeah, $5 per minute. I start link them use, you know, because them a travel upon the sea. You see when me call Jamaica and me get Jackie, me don't remember about no $5 for 1 minute, you know. Because we answer everything we are going down here. Me don't know about what? If it's $300, $400, $500, me have to don't talk when me I say. You understand? So me I laugh now. It's sweet, but me I laugh now, you know, because we get over it. You see when we used to say, she all right, and she had somebody there in the yard and thing, and we say, all right, so tell me something, light gone? She said, yeah, light gone. We say, turn on the generator? She said, yeah, but something wrong because she turn on one pump where we have for water, you know, and it overpower the thing. She said, we must call the person who fix it. I said, wait the man, what you talk about? So you have to say, you can't get the water then, so once you get the light, but you can't, if you got the light, you can't get the water. We start to fret again, you know, that's that. No, I tell you, I don't know how much time I go to the toilet, you know. So I give a belly start. Because I can't have a flight there, I can't come here, so no one. Why, I tell you, so, Warrior King, I want to hear from Warrior King, Rasta, because, trust me, it's not a lovely feeling. I say, everybody, you know, everybody sit down there and look on them cell phone, you know, and I look on a different YouTube picture of them where I come from Jamaica. And all you can hear man and say, hey, watch this. Look on this. This look like Gaza, man. I pay that man and say, you know. Anyway, when I know so we'll get over it, you know, I know so we'll get over it, and 5 years from now, whatsoever, maybe 2-3 years from now, seem like come here laugh about the boat business, you know. People are going to say, why, you know, say all a man, him say all a man cover fly up my ear with all a bird tip on top of him, there's some, you have a heap of joke, a heap of music come out of the situation, and we're going to continue, because that is how life stay, you know, life full of mysterious things, and sometimes it's not mysterious. But because I say, all the people them everywhere who know say them feel it under this thing here, you're going to get help. You're going to get help. Because the amount of people me see a rally around this thing here, I never see it so yet. Never. So you're going to get help. And we hope say somebody open at the politician here and turn the thing round away. Because you know them politicians stay. Them say, well, you know, I am from this thing and my constituency never get no money to do this and all them something there. And the next one I say, it's lie I tell that start the people them vex. While the people them down inside it, so I fret and I worry. So you know me I say now, IRFM, me hear to them have a thing a go on. Me trust IRFM. IRFM me hear who me hear talk Sunshine me hear talk about it. Who don't they can't tell me about it? Somebody can't tell me about it. We are going on IRFM. We have a Vivian there. When I talk to Vivian, make sure tell me what exactly IRFM plan is. Because I hear them talk about gather up this and gather up that for go long. I sent to this way. You know, so the people them are vexed and I say, oh, not talk. And I mean them talk, me, you know, I mean never there and I say, oh, not talk like say, I'm going to St. Elizabeth mash up. Yeah, people lose them house at St. Thomas. People lose them house at Portland and St. Mary and all them places, and nobody not talk about no aid for them people there. So the people them I tell Muta say, Muta, I mention it on the radio. Says look like them a neglect the part over there, so I don't remember say the part over there, so something wrong too, and people lose them out. A security guard tell me yesterday say him live at Mavis Bank and him have to walk go downtown for go work. It's not a lovely thing that. Him said the road broke way and bully part things are watch way. We're going to take a break and come forward. Break time.
The time by ABC Electrical is?
Yeah, the time is 2:30.
Irie FM.
Yes, we're there with you. We're going through the paces, you know. You know, we have news and sports and all them something there, but after all of that go on, we're going to take some phone call. One year we're going to the community them, you know, especially in St. Thomas, Clarendon and Portland, where people are say them get neglected because people don't see them on WhatsApp or social media where them place match up. And what if people place match up at them place there? You know, I mean, quite a few people called me last night and I tell me, say, Mota, what not deal with? Uno. I don't say Uno to you know, I'm a big sister man. I say Uno, what Uno deal with? Like, I mean, never on the radio. And the first program we do last week. I mean, yesterday, since last week. The people that say, Mota, what Uno deal with Rasta? I know you not talk about Portland and St. Thomas and all them something there. Anyway, we want to hear from the people them. We are going to them community, if them get any help yet, and that we can appeal to the people them who, hey, me people that take about all motorcade that drive go along there with things, you know. Yeah, man, people have them truck and them van and this and that, and them a meet up at a certain place, where them a drive go along there. I tell you, it's like a fun thing. I'm glad some people see it too. That way the help as a fun thing, you know, and not like a pressure for go do it. And people are get them things together for go down there, including myself, you know. You know, yes, can't get me out of the race. Anyway, we are say, take care upon the road, you know. Take care upon the road and not only that. Them need some police and JDF man upon the road too, because the corridor will lead to St. Elizabeth there. I hear some people get robbed. Man stick up in a Alan Bamboo. Them not no more Alan Bamboo, you know. No Alan Bamboo no there again. I used to never stick up people through the Alan Bamboo there and I take away everything but on gunpoint. So once, careful what is happening, because you have some people who are scrupulous, them not care. Them not care at all. Them just do what them want to do. And them not care. Some of us are telling people, them say, watch it. All right, so them have a relief thing, IRFM relief thing. I want to read it. Because if I can read it, we are going so, okay. IRFM. I should have read it after the news, you know. I should have read it after the news. All right. Hurricane Melissa has left many of our brothers and sisters in need. IRFM is launching the 111 Cocoa Relief Drive to help those affected, and we need your help. Bring along items such as canned food, fresh drinking water, tarpaulin, solar lanterns, batteries or solar radio, personal hygiene products, blankets, toiletries, and drop them at IRFM at Coconut Grove, St. Anne, or 1B Courtney Walsh Drive, Kingston. We will personally deliver these items to the communities mostly affected by the hurricane. And that is small acts, bring impact, make Jamaica area again. So that is a communicate from IRFM, Hurricane Melissa, help aid, yes. So you can just drop it off. Anything where you have to left, drop it off at IRFM, Coconut Grove, you know which part that there. And if you're in Kingston, 1B, Courtney Walsh Drive, Kingston. Okay, so that we do, and we move on to the next thing. The people them who are call me in a St. Thomas last night and Portland, call today. Because I know some of the people them who can make a difference will hear, and then we want to find out why is it that people are afraid say, if I go St. Elizabeth, people are look about if them don't know say other places get crappled too. You know, so we want them know say people them a ball out. You know, want animosity start. You understand? Because politicians have a way to do that. Turn one community against the other community. You understand? So we hear the minister them attack, this and attack that, and we hear how much plain land and how much goods and things in the plane them. And we just want it go out to go. That way I say. We don't want no whole heap of craziness start. Even though man started already by hijack thing them. Oh, what kind of man them lad? What kind of man uno be? Uno see say we are going in the country and uno take out gun and hijack people to take away the things them where they carry go give people who are suffer. Somebody tell me, say a man tell him say them hungry too. Why them man cold man, and them man they call dog. Let me want disrespect the dog them, you know. And them man they call drunk crow. Yeah, and some drunk crow them with pitch pan people that way there. Oh, no for do that. I see people are in a time of stress. So yes, the clear up going to be a problem. We know that. The clean up going to be a problem, and the rebuilding. That's why I say, trust me, I'll 5 years time still a bill. I hear the government talk about Well, it's when name that year I said, and the Prime Minister, he must say, a long time they might talk about another city like Kingston and Montego Bay, and they must say St. Elizabeth might be the next place. Yeah, Black River maybe. So we're going to see how that will go to. We're going to see who are responsible. And, hey, people, the doors selling the land, you know. Not because it mash up now and thing, you know, doors selling the land. All right, we'll go to the news and sports and come forward. Yes.
The time on IRIE FM is...
Time is 2:45, news time. Yeah, me here. We are going there. So anyway, so we're going to open the phone line them. Yeah, we're going to open the phone line them because I don't want the people to express themselves today and tell me what they have to say. And we're going to talk to some ones where can give you some information about where going and where if you do and all them something there, you understand? So why stay tuned for that? But the thing is that now the people them who in the problem, especially in a St. Elizabeth, yes or no, and me about Mavis Bank this morning where the road broke and all them where them I say help her come. That's all I have to say. Help her come. Me say Treasure Beach lick up bad. Treasure Beach there. Why people them don't have Jack Spratt, you know? And Billy's Beer. Help her come, man. Believe you me, if it not reached that already. Because I know there's some very influential people down at Treasure Beach there. Them know what to do. I hear a lady open up her house and say, come in, come stay, yes sir. I know where to stay, yes sir. And everybody will do that still. But that me I say no, oh, Jamaican, anytime certain things happen, you can see say people have a certain heart. We're not an everyday heart neither, you know. Because if you check them all during the course of the day, you know say, I know everyday heart, but something come over them. Empathy for others, for people who's in problem and need. I wish you could have just do that continuously. Yes, just show that kind of vibration, that feeling that towards one another continuously. Yeah. You know, when I say stop your fighting, no more fussing and fighting and all them something there. It's very difficult. And you know the problem with it, the gunman them still have the gun them. The gunman still have the gun them. And as me I tell you, say, people, I say, them is rampant. You know, I hear about it more than so, you know. But it'll happen. It'll happen. People are carry things and them out take away the food them and take away the food them from the people them and all them something there. What kind of wickedness that, Rasta? Eh? What kind of wickedness that? And you see where I go on. And I like saying, you know, see where I go on, you know. You see where, and you know what? More than like them all carry going for them coming to go sell it, you know. Yeah. Them wicked enough to do that. Carry it in the community to go sell it to the people them who it was meant to be given. Not to be taken away from, but to be given to them. We need certain ones to recognize how weird Jamaica is at this time. Some people have said them not think that Jamaica come back like how it was. Well, me don't know about that. Some people are now start bring the conspiracy theory in it. Some people start to say, I plan it. A woman called me last night and I tell me, say, right now, I get you that them want, get you that wipe out Jamaica for do what them want to do with it. Me I say, how that possible now? Like, and then she talking about creator. And me I said, wait, they know you talking about that now. So the creator wouldn't bring a hurricane like that. Because people are prayer hurricane and all them something there. What kind of madness that? You think hurricane I listen to prayer? Joke business. But Jamaican people, We're there upon IRFM, and IRFM at 24/7, and the radio now left you. Yes, so find yourself a little, what them call it, mad phone. Some little phone we can pick up everything. Because them iPhone now pick up everything, but you have phone we pick up every station. Yes, and you have, what them call it, energy, solar phone, solar radio. Yeah, just like how you have the Starlink. Starlink make you connect to the internet, which is a main thing now where people are.
The time on Irie FM is...
The time is 2 minutes past 3 o'clock. 2 minutes past 3 o'clock. We're there with you. You know, I don't know where I'm going. Anyway, look here. If you watch the news, we could go on a foreign, you know, watch the foreign news, you know. If you watch the news, you say them have a governor's race in America. And for the first time in America, a man who is a Muslim and him label himself as a socialist, him win in a New York. That is unprecedented. A Muslim who says him a socialist win in a New York. Him get vote like vote. Him say the biggest win any governor ever get from the race to start for governorship. So him is a Democrat. Him is a Democrat. And apparently the Democrat them sweep the governor's race all over America there. And when day before yesterday, them get Wulipa. I mean, it's the first. Like them get back in the race now. Because the people them now, apparently them are reject Trump. Because I don't think them a vote for the governor who's a Democrat. I think say them a vote against Trump, who never ever depend on the ballot. You know, see, but all them can recognize is that why the thing out where Trump did that say him go do, them not see no light at the end of no tunnel. Even though him say it's so come, but one of the things where him say him go do, him do it, but it no work out. And now the Supreme Court now claims that the tariff thing can't work, it's illegal. Simply put, the tariff when put on the thing them. A man do something in our country and them a try take over the country illegally. And through them catch him and lock him up. When name Trump just decide say, oh, me a tariff the government there, you know. Because him didn't have the same position too, you know. Him didn't have the same position. So him a sympathize with this man, you know. Him say, a tariff that the country there. Canada, who not do him nothing. Him say, why Canada be the 51st state? And him say, no way, Jose. Him just tariff them. So he might use revenge for tariff people rather than an economical, monetary situation for him country. And him go on and on and on and on. And the Supreme Court, the highest court, say, look here, and also tariff go. Tariff is a tax for the people them in America. It have nothing to do with what he must say. So that is a problem with him in. That is a big problem with him in now because a whole heap of other things when him do. The court them a say, no, and that's how it work. You bypass the Constitution of America to do these things. And it's not right. So it'll catch up on him. So I don't know where I now because them have a midterm election and come up next year and trust me, it'll go terrible. Because it's where America a turn now. people that look on the screen when them look on America, that's America that. Where we have soldiers upon the road. I throw people on ground and all them something there. I see them all the same time the old man and throw him on the ground and coffee me. I say, right. Me's a man when me in America, not only America anyway, me no walk without my passport, you know. Me no walk without my passport. Because me don't know where the man going to say, identify yourself. But you have some people identify themselves and then still handcuff them, you know. Yeah, some American too who born in America, them identify themselves and them still handcuff them. Yes, hello, yes.
Good afternoon, Muta.
Yeah. Yeah.
Hello?
Yeah.
Hello? Not hearing.
I'm there.
Hello?
But me not hear them. Women not do.
Hello?
Yeah.
Hello?
No, this is not right. Him there on the phone, Shane? Yeah.
Good afternoon.
Yeah, you know. We need to figure out something here. Don't hear nothing at all.
Afternoon.
Alright, sir. I go figure it out. We can figure it out. I'm going to play this and say if we can figure out why certain things not working here. Yes. yes. Still not hear nothing. Okay, we have to figure it out. Message to the sister there, man. I tell you. Man, pull up your phone.
The time on Irie FM is...
The time is 15 minutes past 3 o'clock.
While driving through Jamaica, there's only one radio station I listen to. Irie FM. Irie FM. Irie FM.
Yes, we're there with you. Okay, so we're going to see if we can get the phone call going, you know. The call on. Okay. Yeah.
Not hearing. Something is wrong.
Yeah.
Hello?
Go on, man. I hear the phone at all. Oh, gosh. Nothing going to happen over this.
No, I know.
Okay, so... When I hear the call... She hung up? I saw. I'm going to go and play this.
Man forces there it's about
Yes.
meditation firm.
Reginald Higher Stick. Keep your joy. Even at them time, yeah. Keep your joy, man. Never let them get you down. Or whosoever. Keep your joy. Here we go. Yes, the Virgin said, keep your head to the sky. Yes, meaning say, keep it high. Yes, keep it high. Don't look for no wisdom in the sky. Wisdom come from experience. Don't make them tell you no foolishness. But wisdom from the sky. Man, I say keep your head up high, man. Yes. Don't keep a look down. And especially this time, you know, when it's hard to really tell a man to just keep your head up high, you know, because him not have nowhere to sleep, him not have no food, him not have no light, him not have no water, nothing. You know, it just come like hopeless. But we there have to tell you, say, where there's life, there's hope. And given what me say about the place now, it not going to say so all the while. We're going to take a break and come forward. Break time.
The time on Irie FM is...
Time is 3:30. Well, science and technology. Science and technology. We run from one and we come to the next and the same thing, a problem are gone. Oh, wow. Anyway, we have got choose still. Here we go. Don't know what's going to happen now. Yeah, listen to Shireen. These days she go by her own person named Shireen. She left out the Anderson. And Sly, yes. So, as we have said, we're going to change up the subject because we're going to the American politics a little. Because the Democrats, them seem to be back in tune again with this massive victory they make. Day before yesterday, massive. So we're going to see what happen after this now. Because America don't look good right now at all. America don't look good. It don't look good at all. Come like, yeah, Trump used to ball out about whatsoever country, the whole country them, and they mention the Africa and all them places. Now when we look at America, trust me man, it don't look good. You look at your TV and see where the police and the soldiers them are doing to the people them. When you hear say people can't get certain things, this so-called first world of all countries, the most out the country where everybody hope and salvation is want to go to America, the USA. And now it look away. Yeah man, it look away. So you see sometimes the other man grass always look green until you go over there and you realize it's Pierre Bush. Pierre Bush him have over there. And you go to feel say, why over there much better. So we think. Because even the citizens have to go through the same thing where the so-called illegal immigrants have go through. Them catch you, them lock you up, and you may end up in our country where you may end up in El Salvador or Libya. You think them people are easy? Can you imagine you walk on the road as a Jamaican and some man just rush you, and when you look the mask up and everything have all them vest, bulletproof vest and thing, and when you try to explain to them now listen to nothing what you say. Them just handcuff you and throw you in a van and you end up at one place, Alligator Alcatraz. Them put you in a one place with some people who can't even talk English like you. And then little more you just you gone on a flight. And when you look, you're gone El Salvador. Or you're gone somewhere in Africa there where you never want to go. Nobody no hear from you. That's why I say, me no left my passport when me travel on American road. No, sir. And me show them my return ticket too. Cause no care what. Me not live there. So. No way, Jose, no way. Because it worse now, it worse. You know, look like a first world country again. No. Look on all the road them in Philadelphia. You ever see the fentanyl people them where they on the road? Me always try to find out why is it that them have to walk and bend down. They might interview some of them on the road, you know, I tell you, you know. Enough of them on the roadside. Drug out, totally drug out. Los Angeles, Philadelphia. When you look on them, man, you say, how people reach this all? Nowhere to go. And not like hurricane lick them like we. It just says there, normal. Big first world country, the richest country in the world, them say. With the richest people them in the world. Them say 5 of the richest man them in the world can stop poverty, hunger. 5 of the richest man them in the world can stop hunger in the world. And look upon the world, look upon America. Look upon America. How can you trust these people? No way, Jose. No way. We're not trusting them at all. And them one down here so look like them want to follow suit. Yeah, them want to go on like say, them is not the same thing. Same thing. Yeah, we want to try out to call them now and see if it will work, you know, yes? Okay, yeah?
Hello?
Yes, hello.
Yes, Muta.
How you doing, man?
I'm alright, you know.
Yeah, where do you live?
Trelawney, South Trelawney, Litchfield, Trelawney.
We don't hear much of going over this about it. On all right then, because we don't hear nobody say Trelawney no problem.
Well, no, nobody not going to look on we over this side. So it's a great honor to be on the show where we can actually, people can hear
so
what is going on down here.
Well, me could hear what you say.
Yeah, man, because all of the 8 them will go out. None of them don't reach Trelawney, and Trelawney is a farming community.
Yam.
Huh?
Yam. Them known for yam.
Farming. We do other farming in there, but it's more.
Yeah, we know, but we're known for yam. Yes.
You understand? So, the yam ground, them level down. The farmer, them mentally, they don't know what to hold on to down here. Them need somebody to at least come look and assess and see how them can help them in them work. Because I hit at them main source of living.
All right, wait to know. All right, we can't talk about the farming part, right? But
yeah.
we deal with all the people them living situations still, light, water, housing, all that still down there.
We separate from the road. We have people who lose them house stop. We have people who have nowhere to live. We have damages as intense as down Black River.
All right, so we don't know which part of the people them where down there now will lose them house. Which part of them people that stay now since the hurricane?
Some have to relocate. Some have to stay at different people house per night. Some have to go at their neighbor if them neighbor can put them up. Some people have nowhere to go. Some people don't have anywhere to go down here. Down here is a tragedy down here.
So the people them are responsible for the area, what them call them, the councillor them or the politician them are supposed to deal with the area. Who deal with that area the way you there?
All right, we have Miss Darample that responds to the area. We have not yet to see or hear from her. I've not yet. I saw one video with her and she posted and said that our TikTok and said that she lose a house stop. I guess she live in Senton. You understand?
Oh, she lose her house stop.
Paul Patmore is the one that is going around now and trying to assist in the best way possible.
Who's Paul Patmore? Where is? Paul
Patmore, he ran, but he ran in the election the other day, but he lost.
Run the wrong way.
Yeah. So him even today, I see him drive around and I give some care package bags and them stuff like that. So we don't see nobody, but right now everybody laugh. Everybody has say why nobody not come to them, but because we have poor representation, so we can't. Nobody right now. Them probably think Trelawney is
all right. Yeah, like certain part of Kingston.
Yeah, because even the road, people have to get together and put politics aside and get together and say, "Come, make we do what we do." People that has chapters in the area say them give, like a person said, "Me I give you a day tomorrow free." I will go through and we cut out and make a road where we can drive. Because even the road to go up to Larmas, the road broke right in front of a big house.
Yeah. So wait now.
Yeah.
The people them who are help come from the area, right? Nobody outside of Trelawney area no come down there yet.
I'm yet to see anybody. Nobody at all. We don't see nobody where we know right now.
So what the people them in the area no have no family outside of Trelawney?
Yeah, them have family outside of Chilani, but the family them have to come through and I try to help them.
Then that may I ask you if the family, the best help that man will depend on a politician. May I say,
yeah.
If the family outside, them come down there and I help them family down there, that them are right?
Yeah.
But when you talk now, you talk about people who responsible, like the governmental people, them.
Yeah, we
not see none of them.
That's right, you know.
Yeah, well, I hope say when them areas so now, them will take a stock, you know them way there?
Yeah.
Yes. And maybe IRFM pass through there too.
Yeah, we have to reach out to some people like the aid them where I go around and I be like, if some of the people them could have just come through because Albert Town and them place the wire fence outside wood.
Albert Town mash up. Albert Town mash up.
Albert in the middle town up because Albert Town have the whole of the Albert Town building them gone. The library have gone, the bank gone, the top of the bank gone, the bank them down there gone, the PC bank them buildings gone. The road deplorable condition.
Well, I hear say IRFM a good away there, you know, some don't know if them want to make that stop there.
Yeah, they
one poke full basket. Eh?
Yeah. Because them consider Chilani right now as the unforgettable parish. That people are saying we're not exist on the map. And when you look on the map, Chilani was one of the parish that get the storm throughout the whole parish. And when you say Chilani, we're not talking about Lower Chilani, Falmouth on that side. We have Upper Chilani up here, so we're always at the back of the line for everything.
Yeah. Terrible.
So we really need a look.
Well, I hope to them a listen. I hope somebody out there who come from the governmental people, them who bring down a whole heap of people for do this and do that. I hope them hear this now and this, and see what them can do, you know?
Yeah, that's how we can do a hope and pray.
Yeah.
Because you have some people, you have some guys who are from Kingston, they're from the area, one named Jerome Stetford. He come through with a generator and a Starlink and he opened the Wi-Fi in Litchfield on Saturdays so people can reach out to their family foreign with them, can get look at something.
It's a private youth, it's a youth who have a private thing.
It's a youth where he come from a community but him live out of the parish and him see the situation. Him mother
and him come down there.
So him just come back into the community and him try to give.
Starlink.
Yeah, him carry Starlink come put in with a generator with multiple extensions. So it was a roadblock here because at the first some people are here from them family.
True, the bridging there.
Huh?
The bridging where you talk about. At the first, him cause people to hear from them family.
Yes.
So how long the Starlink down there? How long the generator and Starlink can move now?
No, him just come with it on Saturdays. So he was the first person on Saturdays come on Saturdays and then Paul Patmore would have go around and then try because him can go out to the Wi-Fi and then go out and put out things like people like get number and call for people and like send me see that person them alright or him need help or someone can do as family members in like diaspora. Yeah.
That sound like a good help still. We don't want people to depend on these guys, you know, because them have them agenda already. So if you come from Chilani and you can't do something and you're outside of Chilani, like that bridge in the way I tell you about now.
Jerome,
just deal with it.
Steady construction.
So every Saturday them come along, like you say, Saturdays.
Yes, Saturdays from 10 to 5 p.m.
Oh, and release that and make everybody use it.
Yeah, just release it on your phone extension. Everybody can get a charge. Carry power bank come full up and something there.
Wow. That good, man. That good. I have other places where I do that to still, but as I said, good for you from somebody from Chilani. As I say, we are there about Chilani. We don't hear about Hanover neither, you know. We don't hear about Hanover neither.
Yeah.
You know about anything about Hanover, we are going in Hanover there.
Okay. We just need help, man. We just need some people to go look and try to help some of the people them because some of the hosts them not touch yet. Nothing, not even chapal in them don't have over them. You understand? Because some people can't really afford it. That just the local people who can't afford it to start.
Yeah, have chop on it. You understand?
Yeah, but you have people down here who are less fortunate, who need help. You need a cry help.
Yeah. All right, brethren. As I say, I hope somebody here where you say and rise to the occasion. You understand? Yeah, give thanks.
And thanks to RFM for reach out to. Good work.
As me I say, them could have passed your year right now. Because I hear to them about things are going and them could have passed.
We have yet to see it and
it not load up yet. No, it'll load up. Them a load up.
Okay.
Them a load up. All right?
All right, then. Respect.
Yeah, man. Blessed.
The time on Irie FM is...
The time is 4 o'clock and we try to get into the people them for here we are going with them because yes, you family, people who in a Kingston were not affected and you have families in a certain area. You know so them can't call you because them don't have no phone link. Not like that brother, the kind brother say upon Saturday the brother come with the link them. You understand? So at least somebody outside of Trelawny hear from a family because of the link. You understand? So, if you know you have family down there, I don't know, you have to contact them more than if you go down there. You know, see? And more than go down there. Me than go down there. If me know my... Yeah, if me have my grandfather and my granny and all them people there, me now wait for phone to call them, you know. Me I drive go down there. Yes, L. Hello? Nobody? Wait. Call on? I don't hear them at all. Tell me say drop again. We appeal to the people them who have family outside of the disaster area them. People who have family. People who have family we live outside of the disaster area. Drive go down there. Yeah man, drive go down there. Come and see people are drive. Yes, okay, them ready for me. Yes. Hello?
Hi. Yes, sir. Hi, Sir Mota. How are you doing?
Who's this I'm talking to, by the way?
And this is Delano Williams from the National Water Commission.
Okay. You're the one. Delano Williams. Yes. I hear the name all the while, you know.
Yes.
All
pleasure
right.
to be speaking to you, sir.
Yeah, man. Give thanks, man.
Yeah,
all right.
Man.
Tell me now, what part of the island you are really focused on right now?
Well, definitely the western parishes. So, Westmoreland, Hanover, St. Elizabeth, St. James, Trelawny.
All right, Sikapin.
Yes.
I don't know if you listened to the program a while ago. A man just talked to me from Trelawny.
Right.
And him say, them in dire need of help. And it come like everybody skip over Trelawny and Ghana, Westmoreland and St. Elizabeth. So have you been into Trelawny?
Yeah, we have Trelawny on the focus. We're not skipping anybody.
So you've been there already then?
Yeah, man. Our team is there. As a matter of fact, my team just sent me some pictures from Martha Bray. That's one of the bigger systems that serves Falmouth. It also runs through Bounty Hall, goes up into Duncan's, and out to the border on the
Albany.
eastern side. Albany?
Yeah.
That's one of probably the places that we don't quite get to yet in terms of the access. We still have some ongoing checks as we clear the trees and get to some of the facilities.
So is the tree that might
pinpoint where exactly Albany is in Trelawny? Where you have Albany?
Oh, I
know the Albany in St. Mary. I don't know the one in Falmouth.
Oh. No, Falmouth is a little place.
Not yeah. Oh, yeah. All right. So this one is near the cockpit country.
What is near the cockpit country?
This place called Albany.
Okay.
So it would be where we have perhaps close to where we have like Ulster Spring, Wilson Run, up that side. Those
you don't go up there so yet? You don't go up there so yet?
Yeah, man. We do a first check already.
Yes.
We have some, what we call turbidity. That is when the water gets really, really muddy. And we have a lot of silt coming down, a lot of debris. So we're going to have to be clearing those. And then we disinfect the plant before we can restart.
That is the water plant?
Yes.
Yes. So no water not there up there so no yet? No water not there yet?
Well, water up there, but it have mud, but no water inside.
I mean like drinking water. You can't drink.
Yeah,
water,
right.
So how the people them get water separately from that? How them get that? People carry water go up there?
Right. So once we can move the water trucks up there, then we do that. We set up some filling stations at our Martha Brae plant itself.
Yes.
For the persons who can come down. We are going to be trying to move further inland.
Okay.
So one of the challenges we're having, Muta, is to even just to get the trucks on some of those roads.
Because of how the roads stay.
Yeah, based on how the roads stay. So getting up through Clarkstown, Jacksontown, and then going further into South Trelawney. The road access is one thing that we're working with in terms of when the NWA and the RPM give us the clearance.
That means that people up there and can't get no help for that.
There is a possibility, but there is also persons who have managed to store some water or store food supplies too. So we sit with what you call the National Emergency Operations Center. It's one big room where the other agencies get the report. So if it's a phone call, if it's a text, if it's a WhatsApp, and then they outline what the emergency is, and each utility or agency would respond.
Let me ask you something. The people them also mash up.
Yes.
You don't have a place where you carry the people them go make them stay there, so
You couldn't ask me that one from a water commission standpoint, but from just a general reasoning.
That's water you are work with. That's water you are work with.
Yeah, but from a general reasoning, what I know is that there are some shelters that were already in place leading up, and I'm told that there are probably a few hundred persons who are still in shelters.
Up there.
So they would probably remain there. So even the schools that were used as shelters will not reopen for some time until the persons are cleared out and they straighten up things.
About a year time.
Hopefully not so long, but it's going to be a few months.
Well, that means no school for the youth. They don't know nothing still because...
Yeah, that's to go probably homeschool some of them for the time being.
6 or 1.5 dozen of the other. That my granny used to say. 6 or 1.5 dozen of the other. All right.
Yeah.
The clear up what you see, in your estimation with this water thing, how long you think say it going to take for the people to go back to a normal water thing? How long? How you think?
Well, some places more than others. We right now it looking like the worst hit places could take maybe a month or so in terms of regular pipe supply, maybe a couple months. What we are doing to those locations is, as I said, we've started to arrange ourselves to putting up some wayside tanks, and we will be targeting those. So our main priority right now, Muta, is to get the roads that we can access and the places where electricity can go back quickly. We operate those, and then we move like our generators to the locations that will not have any power for some time. So those can be operated on a backup system or via some trucking supply.
Okay, and the truck them carry the water?
The trucks would take the water, whether they take it and where possible drive door to door, or, some communities you have a little crossroad, you put 2 or 3 black tanks depending on what can be position. You fold them up.
Like standpipe.
Basically like standpipe, yeah.
Okay, that's good.
Right. But the tanks are the standpipe.
Yeah, I know, yeah. That sounds good. And like how much of them they have in the area? For Trelawney
we have one so far. But it's several standpipe. Rick, remember we just have the Martha Bray system up now. But when you move into Mobile, we have about 7 in West Green, Catrinal area right now. We're going to be putting a couple in Flankers and a couple other areas along the stretch.
So what top of Maroon Town and all them places? You go Maroon Town, going up to Tucker, go Maroon Town through
we're putting some, not all the way up to that side. We reach up Granville Road now, going around Fairfield. So the first check that we did motor, we got to a certain point. We're trying to access some of the other plans where the road is possible to navigate.
So the road from Tucker go up to John's and go up to Maroon Town. That impossible.
My team hasn't given me any pictures on those as yet.
Okay.
Right. So we got through the systems, as I said, up to Fairfield. So we're going to a place called Endeavour, continue up into Kensington and those locations that you asked me about.
Yeah, Kensington and Maroon Town, we are almost.
Yeah, man, me know. And then you can go Niagara and go over into St. Elizabeth.
St. Elizabeth, yeah. All right. I don't know if you're going to reach up this or still, but you have a little place where me just hear say the place blow away. The center where everybody did a run go. Because I remember saying I was supposed to run go there too, and I never go. That's a look at thing, I never go. But now I hear say it blow away. The center blow away. In a little place named Black Shop at Potosi. You don't know about round this one?
No, I'm not so familiar with that one. I know mainly the town areas. As you said, like Niagara Crossing, Maroon Town Crossing.
You know them. So,
I've personally been to those, but you have some other locations that my team would be more familiar with it. And once the system is running, the water would get there and we can serve the customers.
Well, may appeal to the people them who do these things and have truck and bus and car and all them. Some people drive by them place. It's part of the what you call the team? What them call them?
What, the emergency response?
The emergency response. That there's certainly a place that is not off the grid, but sometimes we overlook them things there because it see it big on the map or really know the road go. But you see, when you go through Tucker there, when you come out of Montego Bay, because you talk about Granville a while ago. All right, Granville depends on that side, but I talk about the main road for go to Maroon Town. It pass Tucker and you go up. And you reach a place named, you have to turn off, you turn left and go a place named Potosi District. Black Shop. It can carry you back to Irwin, go around to Irwin. I don't know if you know Irwin, but the people them must say...
Yeah, I know a little part of Irwin.
Yeah, well, the people them must say, them not have nowhere to go again because if things blow off, it blow away. It's just so everybody that plan say, at least them go have some shelter, but it blow away. So, through me know the area good because I first like a boardhouse, me set up around another bush there. I don't know if people...
you like the hills.
Oh, you mean, man? You know which part I live? No, you follow me. All right, you know what I said, no. Yes, fire, man. All right, you know what I said, no. That little place in the little area there, it's bully for people there right now. We don't have nowhere to go. I mean, I plead to the people them who can do something, not because they're on the main. Because apparently them are deal with the main and don't know say the interior sometimes have more people than where the main have. In the right in the interior there. So if you go Tucker and go up, you go to John's Hall and turn left. As you reach a John's Hall and turn left and go through and you reach a place named Potosi, Black Shop, round there so. You can't carry go back around to Irwin. People must remember say these places, Jamaican people find some very conspicuous place to stay, to live, family house, see? And if you don't mind sharp, you just step on the periphery and not deal with the internal places them where people there. And then you see somebody dead up there and you have to take them out because them never have no water or them never have no food, and all them something there. So me just a beg on no. Me a beg on no. If you just look on the map, man, and see when you can go internal in the country. Yeah, I just let me ask you now because
all right.
it no
definitely. So even though, as I said, I came to talk about the water, you know, where you mentioned just now, I made a note of it so I can share it with some of the other agencies that we work alongside with.
All right, so how far the water business? Really, we can take a break and come forward. I'm going to take a break and come forward. Break.
All right, no problem.
Yeah.
The time on Irie FM is...
Time is 15 minutes past 4 o'clock.
While driving through Jamaica, there's only one radio station I listen to. Irie FM, Irie FM, Irie FM.
Yes, we're there with the misery we are going, but we are going to go ride over it and we are explore the possibilities, what is possible, and what are going to take long and what so happen. Yes, Ibrahim.
Yes, Muta. I am still here.
All right, so the water, you say now, you talk about back to normal with the water in that area where you talk about it. It's about
back to normal is going to vary.
Yeah.
Yeah, so the parishes that are worse, you know, some parishes have gotten significant damage. St. Elizabeth right now we're at 22. Yes, we're at 22% there. Westmoreland we're at 43%, mainly because we have some gravity systems. So we're still waiting on power supply to come back. But like the Roaring River system that is giving us some traction in a section of Salve out near Petersfield and so on. Bluefield system, we're also getting some water from the gravity side, meaning it don't require no pump to deliver the water. So it's just coming off the hill, running through the pipes, and customers are benefiting.
Like somebody, the tank them where them put above the house, them not pump.
You then just run down and you feel like you can turn on all the sprinkler and it feels nice. Right. When you look though at the locations, it's mainly the sites that are closer to the main that we've been able to bring up. So mainly to the close coastline. So Bluefields, as you know, is not too far from the coast.
Coastline.
Right. Well, by
White House too. White House is the coastline.
White House, yes. Along the north coast is the same vibe. A lot of the systems, so Logwood is running. We have it on generator. Our Great River plant, though, Muta, I have to share with you that you know the Great River. I know you go out west more time, right?
Yes.
So the Great River, the mouth of that river is probably about 100 foot wide, maybe a little more at some spots. The entire, imagine a 32-inch pipe, meaning like you could climb into it and hold a rest. All of that pipe for about 100 feet was what it washed away.
Oh, the pipe itself washed away?
The entire pipe was dismantled from the whatever was securing it on each of the bank, and it was washed away. Muta, I tell you,
you can't find the pipe. You can't find the pipe.
That's what I was gonna tell you. So we can't even find it.
What kind of hurricane is that?
It rough, man. So then, when we got so Mobile right now is one.
Hold on. Don't come off of the pipe thing yet. You tell us that the pipe did connect.
Yes.
And the water so powerful that it disconnect the pipe and wash it away.
Muta, all right. Here's how I tell you. Last year when we had the drought, right? I went on the same pipe. The pipe is connected into a concrete casing.
Yes.
Like we secure it, we fit the pipe together and then build a joint, cast it over it. Yes. And the water took the pipe out of the concrete.
But that may I ask you,
yes.
I run with it.
And it lasts.
You can't find it.
It lasts, Muta. We'll probably figure use deep sea diving to find it.
That's amazing.
Right.
So how long the pipe is, you say? How long the pipe is?
I would say just say use my, judgment. It's about 100 feet of pipe crossing the river mouth.
And it wide can hold a human being in it.
You could go in there. You probably could have a youth. You could have a man and a baby in there. And then
you tell me, say the water leak with the pipe out of the concrete and it gone and you can't find it.
Not only that, but the pipe was also on a little, they call it trussing. You know, when they're building the stage and they have those silver rails that they use.
Silver rails, yeah.
So the pipe was fixed to one of those. That's how we use to cross the bridge. So that gone too.
Serious. Very
was
serious.
Rough. So that this place won't be no motor. But we have some work going on now to put back the pipe. So anybody driving across that bridge heading in or out of Mobile will see some construction. Those are the pipes we're putting back in. Yeah. We're supposed to wrap it up between Sunday and early Monday.
Good. That's beautiful.
Right.
Beautiful.
Yeah. So for the time being, we have a system out in Westgate. Not the same amount of water, but it helping out right round Westgate into Fairfield and up to Cornwall Regional. Because the hospital is critical, right?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, so we're working that. You know where DNG is as well from them long time.
Yeah.
That's on the Bogue Main Road. We have another small system there that we're using for loading bay, meaning the trucks go there and fill up. And I want to tell you that a lot of people also go there and do. Outside of the plant, the water will spill over and flow through into the watershed area.
Yeah.
So persons go there and get some fresh water to help with some of their domestics. Yeah, man.
May I tell you?
So this is the kind of response that we are doing. Martha Bray, similarly, a part of that line out near Road Lilliput, a part of that line, the 24-inch pipe this time, that's 2 feet wide.
Yes.
Again, the river, the runoff water just lick out a piece of it.
And gone with it. So that one finishing up today, we poured some concrete on it, so we're allowing it to dry. By tomorrow, I think we should be able to transfer some water along the coast. Maybe get out to maybe as far as maybe Iron Shore. So at this moment in time now, the people don't have no water no yet.
At this moment, this moment, no. So that's why those loading bays are important.
Important, yes.
But when we come back online between Friday into Monday, those persons should see some supply coming back. The pressure is going to be low initially, but it will improve.
No matter if it's low.
It's a little bit better than none at all, right? Yeah.
So tell me, ask you a question. If next week I call you back now, you give me a bigger update, you tell me, say, Iron Shore have water, Flanker have water, Granville have water. You're going to tell me that, right?
That is, as a matter, man. So we talk Monday, Tuesday, we should be able to.
No, not Monday, Tuesday. Met them on the radio Thursday.
Oh gosh, right now I'm at 68% overall.
Yes.
The Mobile side is just under 50%. I think we should be at some improved numbers by next week.
All right. So if I call you back next week, and you reach 80%, what am I to do you?
Oh, then you have to go make me an honorary member, Irie.
Listen to him. No. You say they are 60%. You say 60%, you say. Right.
Yeah.
So you search for 100%, you know.
Mota, let me tell you this. Me nah give you no unreal expectations. You see,
no, me know why you give me no expectation. Me just say, you say they are 60%.
Yes.
And you say, 2 day time, you're supposed to have water in Iron Shore, Flanker, Granville, all around them area there.
Yeah.
So me I say no, if me call you back next week, Thursday, and me ask you the question, what are they have Flanker? And you say, well, we don't really reach this yet. Where we for doing it?
Oh no. We are we are trusting Most High that this will come.
No, I know the Most High do it. I do it. What I
we know, but I trust him for the confidence and the providence.
No, you will not say, man. You will not say, man.
Right. So we're on track, Muta. What I'm saying.
No, me never say no the pan track, you know. Me not say no the pan track, you know.
We will be there.
Me just ask you if we call you Thursday.
Yes.
Okay. Where your name again? Where your name again?
Delano William.
Delano William. All right. Delano William. Oh, you mean if me right? Okay, Dave. Me keep it all on my brain, you know. Delano Williams.
Yes.
Me don't disappoint me, no. Me depend on you.
No, man.
Because
we're on track, man.
All right. Beautiful.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
We're on track.
Beautiful.
We're on track. Understand? Right.
Because you know,
so
if you're on the track, you know, next year we still attack for you know.
All right. So remember, you know, here's what I want you to remind the people, though, you know. The power don't come back everywhere, you know, Motor.
No, me not say no.
All right. So when we run the pipe and run the pump, we still have need some electricity. So in the meantime,
you just give me a definitive argument. You just give me a definitive argument.
Right.
And now you have to tell me about power.
100%.
You start back down already. You start back down already. I will do regard to what I say.
You have the same understanding.
All right. So if you come and you don't have the water in all of the places where you mentioned, it's through JPS.
Well, we working on our backup. So if the generator can sustain it, yes.
All right. So all right. We give thanks, Bridget. Give thanks. Yeah,
man. I appreciate it. And as we say, we thank the people for the patience. It's rough.
Yeah.
We have some channels, Muta, I want to just remind persons. So we have the toll-free number, if I can quickly share it with you.
Yes,
888 call NWC. So that's 888-225-5692. So the areas and the persons who have some ability to call, reach out to us there. Our social media pages, NWC JAM. So that's NWC JAM. We're on Twitter for our X. We are on Facebook and we're on Instagram. All right. So give us a link there and we can provide some updates. And we have a WhatsApp channel as well.
All right, so I'm going to write down your name with a red X beside it.
No, man. Write it in
and a purple X beside it. No, I'm not black, white. No, I'm writing that red and purple. All right, sir. Right. Give thanks, yeah?
Blessings. Thanks for having me.
All right. Yes, give thanks to the brethren. Yes. Okay, so a music news time, you know. Music news time.
Radio station, rocking to the nation. The time on Irie FM is
31 minutes past 4 o'clock, music news. Yes, African names again. Very important part of the program, this. Yes. Okay, so we're going to start with the female names. Binta. Binta, B-I-N-T-A, Binta, means beautiful daughter. Beautiful daughter. Bititi, Bititi. B-I-T-I-T-I, Bititi, means strong lady. Strong lady. Efuro, Efuro, E-F-U-R-U, Efuro. Efuro means daughter of heaven. Daughter of heaven. And Anifa, Anifa, H-A-N-I-F-A, Anifa, means pure. So that's Binta, B-I-N-T-A, Binta means beautiful daughter. Bititi, B-I-T-I-T-I, Bititi means strong lady. Efuro, E-F-U-R-U, Efuro means daughter of heaven. And Anifa, Anifa, H-A-N-I-F-A, Anifa, means pure. Okay, male names. Bushira, B-U-S-H-I-R-A, Bushira means announcer of good news. Yeah, that name can work. Announcer of good news. Basha, B-A-S-H-A, Basha. Basha means act of God. Act of God. Jalali, Jalali, J-A-L-A-L-I, Jalali means I, majesty. or I, Our Majesty, one of them. Anyone you want to call him. Jalali means I, Our Majesty. Kamau, Kamau, Kamau means quiet soldier. Quiet soldier. So that's Bushira, Bushira, means announcer of good news. Basha, Basha, Basha means act of God. Jalali, Jali, Jalali means I, Our Majesty. And Kamau means quiet soldier. That is African names. Yes, we'll take the phone call them. Yeah, we'll take the phone call them. We don't have long on the program left, but we'll take the phone call them. Yes, we're there with you. We have the last moment, you know, say, this time of the program we always feature an artist until the program done. Well, I mean, we still take the call, but we just tell you, say, we're going to feature Delroy Wilson.
The time on Irie FM is?
Time is 6 minutes past 5 o'clock. Yes, as we say, we're going to feature Delroy Wilson. Yes, El?
Yeah, blessed love motor, what go on?
All right, blessed, mama, there.
Blessed, you know. Last time I see the Peter Tosh birthday thing there, you know, the Westmoreland there.
Okay.
Yeah. You know, they are called from Florida. Why?
Oh, they are Florida.
The whole place done there.
Where are they, Florida?
I work, you know, so me there for about 4 years now. I work, you know.
Oh, you just come down for the Peter Tosh something?
No, man. I will be done there a long time now, man. About like.
Oh, I think the other day you talked to you see me at the Peter Tosh. So I think I just last month you did.
Oh no, I know the last one. The last time I see you at the time there.
Okay. So from them time they don't come back at
Jamaica. On the show, you know.
Okay. All right. Well, give thanks.
Yeah, man. Blessed love, you know. So how you say your family them good though?
Me all right, man. So you have no family down here?
Yes, man. My family come from Senti up in the hills there.
So them all right?
Yeah, man. They good, man. But you know, a couple of hours them go stop them blow off and thing.
Couple of who for house are the people them are your family?
My family them like my grandmother, my uncle. My uncle them must have blow off. Yeah, but them good still, you know.
Them all right. Yeah.
And I like every one of them like have zinc part. You have some, you know, like some have part at deck. I have some part zinc. So
you have some people out here where I look after them.
Yeah, man. They good, man. They sell a Santa too, you know. Cause them sell them a Rastafarian, you know. Cause them sell food and them thing there.
Okay.
Yeah. My father sell food too, so. Yeah, more so to all the Mulgrave people, more for all the elderly people. Yeah, man. Right, I'm going to use there, you know. Yeah.
All right, blessed. Give thanks.
Blessed love motor. Respect, yeah?
Yeah, man. All right. Yes. We'll take a break and come forward. Break time.
The time on Irie FM is?
Time is 15 minutes past 5 o'clock. Yes, El.
Yo, Mota.
The blessed man.
Yes, sir. Yeah, man. Even. Hey, tell me something. You're not pass through the junction since Stam.
The junction?
Yeah, man. To Castleton, yeah.
No, I'm not going away there.
Oh, you're not going away there?
No.
Yeah, man. It's in a terrible state, you know, man. I tell you, some precipice there. Yeah, it's getting some precipice there, you know.
The road broke way?
Yeah, man. Yesterday, I come in and this traffic jam in front of me when I realized one hillside just come down and jump.
So how the people them pass?
Well, I did both a car, man, and come together. And I left the stone out of the road, but I left a little edge.
Oh, what if a stone in the road?
Yeah, man, that's a stay bad, man. They need a bulldozer around the station on the so. Every minute, inside, come down.
Yeah.
So we want the man, we need the MP, the politician, put the place a bulldozer around the so permanently. Because night and day, every minute we have road back on it, landslide.
Well, I don't know when that will happen. Because everybody have a St. Elizabeth, them I deal with.
St. Elizabeth?
Yeah, they don't hear that. You know, hear St. Elizabeth, everybody I deal with.
Yeah, man, yes, we sympathize with them, yes.
So, maybe you have to go wait till the next hurricane.
The next hurricane?
Yes, to make it fix.
I see him on the road, they tell him stop a brag, they can't move on when the election come, they start a little part after election. It just done, I mean, you're not watching it again.
Yeah.
So right now the road, they see me.
All right, tell me exactly which part, tell exactly which part you talk about. In that junction there.
Brandon Hill.
Oh, Brandon, hey, look here. Then me know you a bridge in a mind, tell me say, a whole heap of man come together and clear that road there, you know.
Yeah, man, but every minute something tumble down. Every minute something tumble down. Come from way up on the top.
Yeah.
Like the earth, soft up, you know.
Yeah, so, we know, the water going to need to stone them and big rolling. I saw some of them also watch it too, you know. Under the house, the water seep under the house and watch you a whole heap of them house there, you know.
Yeah, man. It's a terrible situation, man. I tell you.
So I near Brandon Hill you talk about then. I near Brandon Hill.
Eh?
I near Brandon Hill you talk.
Yeah, man, near Brandon Hill. Same place, man. The same place, I tell you, man. The same place with the brother talk. Right.
Yeah.
I want to dangerous part, because there's something else right away there, so. And
so the country, the country bus them pass around there. And the big truck them when I say I drive.
They might take some risk to the people, let me say. Well, they might take some risk there. A risky man, they might take some dangerous risk. Baton Road tear away, you know. But if you say Baton Road, soon tear away. And if
you can't say underneath the asphalt. You can't say underneath the asphalt.
Underneath the asphalt, yeah, man. Yeah, man, they stay really bad, man.
Well, I hope them do somebody before some people go over the precipice there.
Right, well, that's what I mean now. That's what I mean. Put on bad mode, but...
Yeah, when you're a bad mode, can't make it happen, now not happen. It's like, it don't happen, I don't happen. You saying it now, going to make it happen.
Prevention is better than cure. Sometimes we wait. We're too reactive. Yeah.
That a go on. Peer reaction a go on. All right, Bridget, so we take a note of that.
In the US, man.
Eh?
The US, they talk about the election over there.
The governor election there.
Yeah, man, I wasn't aware until me talk about it.
You never hear about it? Yeah, man, one brother who is a Muslim and a socialist win the governorship for New York. I don't know how to manage.
What a swing. This is a message.
Watch out, man. Them say the biggest governor election ever. Because the people, I don't think the people them have vote for the governor, them have vote against Trump.
Yes, I agree with you, though.
Yeah, man, Trump them have vote against, man. They don't vote for nobody.
Yes. Yeah. Well,
anyway.
So what on there? So, but the have an election coming on, middle election.
Yeah, next year.
That's when they will choose a new Democratic leader, that's all?
They are going to deal with the Senate and the Congress and the Senate.
Okay.
They might choose that, so I don't know what happens or no, but it look too good for Trump now, because everybody have attack against Trump, all them MAGA people them attack against him, Yeah.
So Rubio.
PP clack. Behind him,
A long time I hear nothing from Rubio.
No, because him they're busy run up and all over the world, man.
Yes.
Fly all over the world. I shouldn't say run. Fly all over the world, I'm go. Him and the other one, him exit.
Okay.
Yeah, so... Well, we will see what happens still because you don't know where it go. Anything can between now and next year.
Yeah, as I said, we Jamaicans have to notice what go on. Everything over there impact we, you know. So.
Oh, you mean, man? Of course, it impacts.
We are awareness.
Yeah.
All this the Venezuelan thing, it have impact on Jamaica too, you know.
Yeah, oh, you mean, you know, so we'll never get the oil from them, never take it.
But I never say Venezuela have the biggest oil reserve in the world, Venezuela.
Yeah, but when I say, we will get oil from them, you know, and them people, the government, make them talk them out tight.
Oh, the change of government. Oh, okay.
You know, remember the Venezuelan thing?
Yeah, but remember for sure, yes. We have the agreement, yes.
Anyway.
Okay.
We're going to move.
Okay. Well, Mota, bless up yourself and we're going to, take it easy and take care of yourself and the family.
Take care of yourself, man.
Yeah, man. All right, then. We'll talk again next week.
Blessed. Yes, we'll take the last break and come forward. This is the Stepping Razor.
Reggae radio station, rocking to the nation. The time on Irie FM is...
Time is 5:30. Yes. Want to hear up Shane Clark, Vivian, Yellow, yes. We'll be back here next week, Wednesday, and we hope say by next week, Wednesday, we can hear some good news about things where them do and people where, feel a little better now and all them really, yeah. So, yeah, man.
Can you see I'm in misery?
I remember, do what you can do,
The time by Grace Good Move is...
Time is 15 minutes to 6 o'clock, news time.